Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna show you how to make this amazing card slider animation in Figma. So let's get started. First, do one thing. Let's make a frame. Now let's add some text. Make sure all the layers is in the frame. Now let's make a rectangle. Add some radius and duplicate it. Make its size smaller and put it at the back of it. Duplicate it again. Then make it transform. Now make a duplicate of it. Select this 3 transform rectangle. Make their copy. And then flip horizontal and drag left side. Now select the frame and disable clip content. Now make duplicates of transform rectangle. Now let's add some images. Now select Transform Rectangle. Open its Edit option on the right side. Now make its saturation 0%. Now do the same with other Transform Rectangle, except the center one. Now select the frame and enable clip content. Now select all the rectangle, except the colorful one, and select Effect and choose Layer Blur. Now let's duplicate the frame. Now see this step carefully. Select the left side transform rectangle. Drag it down. Now select its upper transform rectangle. Make it a little bit transform. Drag it down. Now select its upper transform rectangle. Do the same with its also. Now important one. Select the center one colorful rectangle. Make its size smaller. Drag it left and transform it a little bit. Now select the right one transform image. Put it in center. Make its angle 0 degree. Now select the left side transform image. Open its edit option. Make its saturation 0%. Then select the center one. Put it in front. Make its size larger. Now open its edit option and make its saturation 50%. Now duplicate the frame and do the same thing with them also. Now duplicate the frame. Now duplicate the frame. Now let's prototype them. Connect the right side first card of first frame with the second frame. Chose on click. Animation will be Smart Animate. Curve will be ease in and out. And duration will be 800 milliseconds. Now connect the right side first card of second frame with third frame. And animation will be same. Do the same with others. Now add a reverse animation. Connect the first card of left side with it before frame. And animation will be same. Now do the same thing with others one also. Now let's see how it looks. It's looking good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for new videos.